Hello, this is day 30 of 30 days of JavaScript challenge, and let me refresh to see these things correctly. Yes, we are here. This is the question. Okay. So yeah, this is the last video, and let's implement this. Design a calculator class. The class should provide a mathematical operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. It should also allow consecutive operations to be performed using method chaining. The calculator class constructor should accept a number which serves as the initial value of the result. Okay. Your constructor class should have the following methods: add, subtract, multiply, divide, power, and get result. Basically, we are calling this and it should give us the result at the end. Okay, got it. They have set the initial value is result, so let's do that. This dot result equals to value. And now we just have to add these. This value will get added to this dot result. So let's do that. Plus value. And we'll return this, which is the instance. Okay. Why we are returning the instance is because we don't need to return the answer. That we will do using get result. Okay. Here we are returning the overall instance only. Okay. So let me do this. I think, okay, this is actually easy. Multiply should be multiply. In divide, we will take care of the zero part. I'll check that and see what we have to do. And in power, okay, this doesn't work. I think it power in JS math. Okay, we have to use .pov. I think in what we call Ruby, this works. Okay, so math.pov, and let's add a comma here. This, and when we want to get the result, I think return this dot. In that case, we have to return the result. So this dot result. Okay. And what was for the divide? What did they say? This method divides the result by a given number value and returns the updated calculator. We are returning the calculator, and that's why this instance correct. Sorry. If the past value is 0, the error should be this. Okay, let's do that. If value equals to 0, we will throw new error, which is this. And let's run. This is a straightforward thing. Okay. So yeah, till this point, if you have finished all 30 days, watched my videos, even if you don't have not watched my videos, but if you have finished all the 30 days of JavaScript challenge, do watch the last video also. I'll add one more video to summarize this thing, not in terms of knowledge, but we will discuss something. So that's it. Thanks a lot. And yeah, do comment, share, subscribe, like. Let me submit this and see if it works. Great. What is this best solution? Exactly same. Actually, this will be the exactly same because there is nothing special in this question. Actually, I think they're just wrapping up things and ending things. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.